Fresh video. Come on, don't be shy. Oh my God. That just jump scared me. I don't know why. Freaking loud. Jeez, why is this thing flying? Oh my God. Dude, this thing is absolutely flying. This thing's going 70 miles per hour. Bro, I didn't even know brake lights didn't even go this fast. Oh my God. Bro, this thing is like a lightning bolt. Holy shucks. Oh my God. Do not bounce the car. Dude, there's the end. Oh my God. Oh my God. Dude, that thing was absolutely flying. It's like it was going 70 miles per hour. Dude, that's my first time ever witnessing a 70 mile per hour freight train. Oh my God. How did that thing even stay on the track?